Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is the part 2 of Mandala art supplies, and in this one I will talk about my pens and fine liners which I use for my mandalas, and I will show you all of my mandalas which I made using them. And check the part 1 where I have talked about my basic stationery, sketchbook and papers, and also the dot mandala art tools and supplies. You can follow me on Instagram if you wish to see more of my mandalas collection, and DM me if you want to know more about mandalas. Also, I have provided the link of all the products which I have in the description below, so you can check them out. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. Now let's start with the very basic pens which you can easily find in any local store. Something like a normal ball pen or gel pen. So these are the two gel pens which is of only 5 rupees, and sketch pens also you can use. This one is blue gel pen, and it is also one of the pen from Luxure, sign pen. And this is a permanent marker which I generally use on a bigger surface. So yeah, all these are very basic, and I will show you my drawings where I have used these pens. So these are the two drawings. This one I have drawn with only 3 rupees pen, and this is also which I have drawn from this gel pen. If you are a beginner, so you can definitely start with these normal ball pens and gel pen. This would be great, and later on you can buy the fine liners. Now coming to the fine liners, these are the two pens which I use for making my mandalas. Actually, those who are not aware, these are the special pens which is used to draw detailed design in your mandala or any artwork. So the first one I have is from the brand Sakura, which is Sakura Micron pens, and I have these 4 pens which I bought from local stationery shop, and you can definitely get this in Amazon as well, the whole pack. The next fine liner which I have is from the brand Bristro, and I have ordered this whole 9 set. You can get a set of I think 5 or 4 as well. So this is a different nib size which Bristro fine liners have. There's another pen from Bristro which I will provide the photo here in the left hand side, which I currently don't have, but you can use that as well. So I will totally recommend these pens to you guys if you wanted to draw mandala further on. So you can definitely invest on these fine liners, as I've been using these since quite a long time, and it's working perfectly and it's very long lasting. Also, I'm planning to give a complete detailed review on these pens, so comment down below if you want to check that out. So this is the mandala which I have drawn using the Sakura Micron pens, and this one I have just started out today, and you can see other mandalas in my Instagram handle. Now coming to the colored pens, so these are the two pens which I love using. The first one is from the Uniball Signo, and you must have used this in your school or college. So this is a pink shade and the purple shade. Yeah, I just love this. You can see the nib of this pen. So another one is from the Classmate Octane Color Burst, and this whole pen set is of just rupees 100, and this one is amazing. You can also use the colored pens from Luxure. I don't have it right now, but I have used those pens, and those are also the best if you talk about the colored pens. You can see the nib of this pen. These are very thin. So I will show you my drawing which I have drawn. This is the beautiful peacock which I have drawn using this Octane pens. Look at it. Now let's talk about the jelly roll pen. So this one is also from Sakura, and mainly I uses it to draw on the black paper. So this one is the Moonlight edition. They have other edition of Sofel which have bright colors. You can get it from Amazon. So I like this Moonlight edition because it has beautiful pastel colors. And this one I got separately, grays and pink, from the local stationery shop. This white pen is also from Sakura Jelly Roll pen set, And you should definitely have one white pen in your drawing kit. Now these are the two pens from Uniball Signo. This one is a white color and another one is a golden color. These two are also very amazing. I will show you my drawings which I have made using these pens. You can use these in white paper as well, but this works best in the black paper. As you can see my drawings, this one is from the white pen and this one is the colored mandala which I have drawn. Another one is from the gold Uniball Signo. Do let me know in the comment section that what other things that you guys use and which one is your favorite amongst all, and also subscribe to my channel if you like making mandalas. Thank you all.